everyone, it's Gina down at 5280 Armory, and I wanted to tell you about a new product that we have at the shop. It's the Sig M400 VTAC rifle chambered in 5.56. This gun was designed by Kyle Lamb of Viking Tactical, has an aluminum free float handguard by VTAC, also has a 16-inch stainless DLC barrel with 1 8 twist, and has a taper lock flash hider. The other thing that this gun has is a SIG enhanced trigger. The best part about this package is what it comes with. You've got the rapid deployment bag, you've got the Viking Tactical padded sling, as well as the Sig Romeo 4H optic. It's a killer deal. All of this is priced at $11.99 cash discount at 5280 Armory. As with all gun purchases, you'll also receive 1 month free membership to the range. So come check out the Sig M400 VTAC rifle at 5280 Armory, Colorado's gun shop, and we'll see you soon. Sig M400 VTAC, great gun, available at 5280 Armory, Colorado's gun shop. We'll see you soon.